Hi boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about how to organize and interpret and read a graph. So today I made a graph called Signs of Spring. So this is the title of the graph, Signs of Spring. I have charted 4 different things. I have flowers, bees, birds, and butterflies. So what I did is I colored in how many flowers there are, bees, birds, and butterflies. So for flowers, I colored in 4. For bees, I colored in 2. For birds, I colored all the way up to 8. And then last, I colored in butterflies all the way up to the 6. So look at that graph and tell me which item that we graphed has the most. So here flowers have 4, bees have 2, and birds have 8. Butterflies have 6. That's right, if you said birds, birds has the most. Which one has the least? Well, the least is the smallest amount. So bees have the least. There are only 2 bees. Now let's answer some questions about this graph. How many more birds are there than flowers? So we need to look at birds and we need to look at flowers. So flowers, there are 4. Birds, there are 8. So we want to know how many more birds there are than flowers. Now, some of you might say that there are 8 more birds. But no, that's the total number of birds. We want to know how many more birds there are than flowers. So if we look at flowers, there are 4. Well, there are also 4 birds. But how many more birds are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 more birds than flowers. You can also look, there are 8 birds and 4 flowers. So 8 minus 4 equals 4. There are 4 more. So we've already answered which one has the least. We said bees. And which is the most? We said birds. So the last question I want to ask to you to think about is how many less bees are there than butterflies? So how many less bees are there than butterflies? Well, there are 2 bees and we have 6 butterflies. So how many less bees are there? Well, we know that there are 2 bees and there's also 2 butterflies. But how many less bees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 less bees than butterflies. So that is how you read and interpret a graph with different items listed on there. These were the signs of spring. We will do another one on another day. Great job, boys and girls.